Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC60 T6 Inscription in pine gray metallic with a maroon brown interior. This has just over 26,000 miles on it. It is all-wheel drive. The pine gray paint is such a cool paint color. It really changes in the different lighting situations. Is it gray? Is it green? You decide. This has the advanced package. So for 2018, that means that you get the 360-degree camera system, which is great for parking, and the graphic heads-up display. This one also has the convenience package, and this is where they put the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. So you do get all of those added features with this. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, panoramic sunroof, those are all standard. And also with the convenience package on this one, the back seats fold down from here. Beautiful Inscription wheels. And this one has the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is amazing. The sound quality is exceptional. Four-way climate control. Memory seating for two. These beautiful Inscription seats. This has the extension piece, and on this one it is a manual piece. It pops right out. Tailor-wrapped leather dashboard, beautiful wood inlays, and these are your safety systems. They're all listed every time you start up. All part of the IntelliSafe system. Bowers & Wilkins tweeter on top. This is your climate control, your heated steering wheel and heated front seats. This has navigation. So your destination right through here. Click back to get to the home screen. And then off to the left, you'll see a lot of these vehicle functions. The heads-up display adjustments are here. So this is the graphic heads-up display. It projects on the windshield. And if you'd like to adjust that, you can, move it to your height and how bright would you like it. Set that for yourself right there. This one also has set up the road sign information. That's right here. So you'll see, how fast you're supposed to be going. Right there will pop up, and this has it set. You can take that away and just have the speed that you're going, or you can know what's happening either way. 360-degree camera system right up here. Choose whatever view you like. Great for parking. This is where you'll be able to access the Bowers & Wilkins sound experience, change it to whatever you'd like. concert hall is just absolutely epic and resonates. Not so great for talk radio. I do a studio situation for talk radio, or maybe even individual stage. But anyway, you like to listen to your music, this is the tool for that. It is so good. Cup holders. You'll be able to select different drive modes. There's this little roll bar here. If you push that down, you can select different drive modes, change the feel of your car. There are lots of options to make this your very own memorable Swedish sanctuary. It's stock number 6117A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we'd hope to see you in soon on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, and please do schedule an appointment. There's a lot of interest on this one. Thanks a lot from Portland Volvo.